On 30th of November, a review meeting was conducted at Arboretum cum Craft Center's conference hall over the outstretch of government's project and schemes of the rightful beneficiaries generated of taxes from forest and various other departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and to what extent has the MOS 2021 implemented. The review meeting was chaired by Rite Singhi, EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Madhumita Bhagawati, Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Nirola Phangchopi, Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Miji Ronghang, Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended the review meeting. At the review meeting, the outstretch of schemes and projects allotted for the general public was discussed. If it had reached to the rightful beneficiaries, what are the percentage of completions of schemes? Generations of revenue by the Forest Department from the sand mining traders, and to notify the traders whoever if left out from paying taxes to the concerned department. Discussions were also made over the revenue generated from various divisions and departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Thorough discussions was carried out over the percentage of completions for implementing the peace agreement MOS 2021 signed between the 6 militant groups along with Government of Assam and Government of India. Key discussions to upgrade and promote tourist sectors of Karbi Anglong globally was also done during the review meeting. Bikram Teron's report for Karbi Anglong Live.